All right, we're gonna check out Blue Claw Lobster Shack, home of the Canadian catch. It says on Charles Street, 25 Charles Street West, Blue Claw Lobster Shack. It's a big issue with YouTube. All right, I'm inside Blue Claw at it's 35 Charles Street West, Yorkville area-ish. Anyway, just south of Bloor and Bloor and Bay. So I got their, what do they call this? East Coast Classic Roll Combo with fries. And I got the one with truffle, so there's $1 more. Just add it, yeah. So looks good. It comes with an aioli for the fries. Dig in. Okay. Gonna squeeze in the lemon. It looks like a perfect size. Nice egg bun, I think. Where do I start? I'm gonna bite into this piece. Good. Fresh bun. Good.
Yeah, we can push that if we want.
Very good.
Wait, can we take a picture? I was saying no one did. I know, don't touch the food.
It's very good. Take your bite. Very, very
Should we
good.
move them more together, like side by side, like this way, like kind of like so make the rolls touch-ish.
It's very fresh and it's cold. It's a salad. It's a lobster salad, right? Very good. Nice seasoning. Nothing. I can't.
This is so funny.
Not overpowering at all.
Alex is just like, don't mind his face. He hates me.
No, I'm a little leaning back some more.
Is that the tater tots? Yeah.
Like if this is mayo, it's very light. It's not overdone. Like I would overdo it at home and I'm like, oh, I put too much mayo. This is perfect. I'm gonna try the fries. Looks nice and crispy.
Mayo.
I'm gonna try it without aioli.
I love mayo.
That's good.
Me too. Yeah, just
Crispy.
Yeah, I hate
Very good. You're right. Very good. I want to come back and try the other items on the menu. Very crispy. Very good.
Tell me how you're. Oh, actually, we got the same thing. No, we got it.
So come on over to Blue Claw on Charles Street West. Take your bite. All right, happy Friday. We are April 19th, 2024. And I'm out and about with my main channel. I had to pick up something in Yorkville, so I thought, I can go back here to Blue Claw Lobster Shack and have a late lunch. Have a late lunch date with my viewers. So let's go. We're gonna order. Hi. How are you? You remember me? Yeah. All right, I'm inside Blue Claw Lobster Shack, and today's special is the lobster and shrimp roll. So I'm getting that. I'm gonna try their mac and cheese, and they got new soft drinks, like sparkling drinks. So I'm getting the passion fruit soda. Okay. All right, so inside, oh, it says all aboard, all aboard. All aboard. Yes, so we're in Blue Claw Lobster Shack, and they just brought in the sparkling drink. So this is passion fruit, refreshing. Let's try the shrimp and lobster and shrimp roll. Okay, let's try the lobster and shrimp roll. Looks yum. Piece of lemon. Put some lemon on here. And there's one that fell off, so. Let's go. It's yum. Swear. Just enough, like, of the mayo. It's not overpowering. Very good. Take your bite. Look at that. Good. There we go. Okay. Mac and cheese. And take your bite. Yum, yum, yum. Take your bite. Yum, yum, yum. It's good. It's not cheesy at all. But it's good. It's mac and cheese. All right, so this is going to be added to the first visit, so it'll be a longer review. So I really enjoyed coming here. I love the atmosphere. It's quiet, which I like for my YouTube channel, so I don't get copyright. So, and this lobster shrimp roll is delicious, just like the regular lobster classic roll. Really good. And the mac and cheese is good. The fries are good. Everything. So I highly recommend. If you're in the area, this is where Charles Street and Bay or Yonge, so between Yonge and Bay. So come on over to Blue Claw Lobster Shack and take your bite. Yum, yum, yum. Take your bite. Yum, yum, yum.